So after adding the tools to your trading view, so you need to click on it like the settings. Then under the inputs, period of the candle you want to set. So let's assume you are using a 1 hour now. So you put 1 hour on the on this side, or if you are using 30 minutes, you put 30 minutes there. So then the alert seconds before close. So let's say you put 1 hour now. So if you put 20 here, that means 20 seconds before the candle, the 1 hour candle close itself. So that means before the new candle will appear. So that's what that means. So you can put any seconds that you like. You can put, if you like minutes, then that means 1 minute make one 60 seconds make 1 minute. So if you put 1 hour here right now, and you want it to ring for you in like 1 minute before the new candle, so that means you will need to put 60 seconds here. So that is what the 25 you are seeing here means. Then on this hours to monitor, so for me I put 1 2 to 10, but you have to put comma between each number. So 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma, so that's how you also do that. So if you put it up to like 10, so that means, and if you put it up to like 10, 1 2 3 4 5 to 10, so that means if you put 1 hour on this side, the alert will monitor your chart for the next 10 hours. So that is how that this hours to monitor, that's how it works. So if you put uh 2 hours, let's say you put 4 hours candle here, you put on the candle side you put 4 hours. So if you put 1 to like 5, that means it's going to monitor your chart for 4 hours in 5 places. So and okay, so that's it, that's the basic characteristics. Then if you want to set alert using the tools itself, then the next thing you have to do is to go to the alert which we have over up here. So if you click on it, you will have this board, this second dashboard that you're seeing. On the settings, you just need to go under the condition. You click on the condition, then you choose the alert before bar close, which is the indicator that we are talking about. So you choose it. So every settings you have on the alert before bar close will appear on this on the trading view alert itself. Then you can give it a name over here. Then that's it on that side also. Then the expiration time also, or date, you can also put that on this side too. Then the third one is the notification. I think this one is self-explanatory. So you can just put it the way you want it, or also follow with this you are looking at over here. So I found this alert tools on I mean I searched for it actually because we needed it, and then that's how we get it. So I believe it's going to be useful for you also. Okay, so that's it. After that, so let me just show my chart also. So on this my chart right now, I have it already and I've already set it up. So if I just click on alert, then the settings that I'm talking about is here. So you can see the alert is something else that doesn't relate to what I just showed you. So under the condition, if I just go here and click alert before bar close, so everything is going to change to the settings that I set for the under the alert bar close indicator, indicator 2. So then I can change the name over here if I want to, but I'm not going to do that. I will just leave it the way it is. Then the expiration, I can change that also if I want to, but if I don't want to, I'll just leave it the way it is also. Then if I click create, so if this candle that we are looking at, this current candle that we are looking at, what I set on my own is this. What I have for my settings is this. You can see that 1 hour 20 seconds, then 1 2 3 to 10. So that means this each candle here is 1 hour. Each candle here is 1 hour, and then that means if this candle, by the time it remains like 20 seconds for this candle to close, I will receive an alert on both my phone and my system also that okay, I need to check my trade. It's remain like 20 seconds for the 1 hour to be fully completed. Then the next one, it will keep doing like that. So I set it for 10 hours. So it will keep doing like that for each candle for the next 10 hours. So that's how it works basically.